Our loyal friends, dogs. The best friends of humans. Dogs are very special animals, and they are known as the best friends of humans all around the world. For many thousands of years, dogs and people have lived together in harmony. In the past, dogs helped people with many difficult tasks, such as hunting for food, guarding large houses, and protecting farm animals from dangerous predators. Today, most dogs live inside our homes as part of the family. They are very loyal, which means they always stay by your side and love you no matter what happens. When you come home after a long day at school or work, a dog is always there to greet you with a wagging tail and a happy face. This deep connection between humans and dogs is very unique because dogs can understand our emotions very well. If you are feeling sad, a dog might sit quietly next to you to make you feel better. If you are happy and energetic, they are ready to run and play in the garden with you. Different breeds and their features. There are hundreds of different types of dogs, and we call these types breeds. Every breed has a different size, color, and personality. For example, some dogs are very large and strong, like the Golden Retriever or the German Shepherd. These dogs usually love to run outside and need a lot of exercise every day because they have so much energy. On the other hand, some dogs are very small and cute, like the Chihuahua or the Pomeranian. These small dogs are perfect for people who live in small apartments in the city because they do not need a lot of space to be happy. Some dogs have very long, soft fur that feels like a warm blanket, while others have short hair that is very easy to clean. Their colors can be brown, black, white, or even a mix of many colors with spots. It is very interesting to see how every dog is different, but they all share the same loving heart. How dogs see the world. The way dogs experience the world is very different from the way humans do. While humans rely mostly on their eyes to see things, dogs rely on their amazing sense of smell. A dog's nose is thousands of times more sensitive than a human's nose. When a dog goes for a walk, they are not just looking at the trees and the grass. They are smelling everything to understand who was there before them. They can smell other animals, food from a long distance, and even the emotions of people. Their sense of hearing is also very powerful. They can hear very high sounds that humans cannot hear at all. This is why dogs sometimes bark at things that seem invisible to us. They might hear a car coming from down the street or a small bird in a tree far away. Because of these incredible senses, dogs are excellent at helping police officers find things or helping blind people walk safely on busy streets. Caring for a happy dog. Taking care of a dog is a big responsibility, but it is also a lot of fun for the whole family. To keep a dog healthy and happy, you must give them good food and fresh water every single day. Just like humans, dogs need to exercise to stay strong. So taking them for a walk in the park is very important. During these walks, they can meet other dogs and explore new smells. It is also important to take them to a doctor for animals, called a veterinarian, for regular checkups. Dogs also love to play with toys, like soft balls or rubber bones. Playing games is a great way to teach them new things, like how to sit, stay, or catch a ball. Most importantly, dogs need a lot of love and attention. They are social animals, and they do not like to be alone for a very long time. When you give a dog love, they give you back even more love and stay your loyal companion for many years.